Sylvia Gordon.
And I'm Rebecca Gordon. And here's the question for today. Can you deduct your Medicare premiums from your taxes?
And the answer is usually no, but could be yes. First of all, you have to itemize your deductions. So there's that. Then you have to exceed all your healthcare expenses, your countable expenses, and we'll explain that a little later, have to exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. Now, this is not just for people on Medicare. This is the tax rule for younger people. So when I had Susanna, I was like, I am going to save all my receipts for the year, all my doctors, all my copays, all my deductibles, all my medicines, everything. And because I'm having a baby, I'm going to exceed it. And I went through all that trouble and I added it all up and it didn't. I think that's what most people do.
Well, the key word is exceed.
Because you only can take this part up here.
So, for example, let's say that Mary is my client and she's retired and she has an adjusted gross income of $50,000. So the max that
the trigger,
so 7.5% of $50,000 is $3,750. But she can only take what's above that.
So if her expenses are $4,000,
she could only write off $250.
Right. So it's hard, not impossible, but hard.
You do it, but
so if you are able to deduct, what can you deduct?
Medicare Advantage premiums, Medicare Supplement insurance premiums,
deductibles, copays, right.
Yeah.
Right. All your expenses, even acupuncture, chiropractor, my functional medicine doctor, she doesn't take insurance. I pay for that. So a lot of those other things you can deduct as well, but what can you not deduct?
You cannot deduct things like cosmetic surgery. Personally, I don't like. I think that's terrible.
You can't deduct anything that you were reimbursed for by insurance either.
But the big thing is late enrollment penalties.
So
Medicare B and D.
If you only learn one thing in this video,
learn that.
Late enrollment penalties are not...
That doesn't seem right. Well, I don't know. You're late, so you're being penalized.
Right.
So why should you be able to get a tax advantage?
They're saying it's a tax penalty. It's not a health care expense, so you cannot deduct it. You cannot use it.
And non-prescription medications, so like vitamins, supplements.
Right. How about HSAs?
Marijuana.
How about you have HSA money?
Well, you can use your tax-free money to reimburse lots of things.
But not Medicare supplement premiums.
That's always been
so
a
if
big
you're
one.
a new agent, the two takeaways here is your late penalties do not help count towards your tax deductible healthcare expenses, and HSA money
you can use for your Medicare premiums,
but Medicare Advantage premiums, Medicare Part D premiums, reimbursing yourself for Medicare Part B premiums, but not
MedSubs.
So as much as you guys don't like to learn about taxes, we're going to keep teaching you. Because your clients are going to ask you these questions, and you're the best resource to help them. Of course, you can refer them to an accountant, but you should have a basic understanding of these things if you want to call yourself a specialist in Medicare.
Have a great day, folks. Good selling. See you soon.